Oh, beastly body shot.
Oh, an elbow there from Nog Rose.
Out of nowhere. She'll grow in stature.
The good left kick there from Nog Rose. And again.
And again.
Bullying Suryai.
Oh, bullying him is not the word.
And an elbow.
Oh!
Nog Rose
Oh, he's
still
gone!
Right
Oh, he's taking the count. He's
Look
cut
at the
badly.
size of that cut.
Holy moly. This is Muay Thai. Oh, he's cut bad. He is cut bad. Second round. Can he survive?
Nog Rose again with those elbows.
40 seconds. He's out of it.
Suryai's in big trouble.
Referee needs to step in. Referee should stop this. He's cut bad.
Nog Rose is almost there.
20
Another elbow.
seconds.
And again.
He's taking too much punishment.
How is he staying on his feet?
Oh my goodness.
The eyes are glazed over, Kevin.
10 seconds.
On again.
Can he survive the round?
Final.
Nog Rose smells it.
Oh, he's
Oh, wow. The crowd are on their feet. The stadium is erupting.
Unbelievable round of Muay Thai action. Close to finishing that fight. Let's have a take another look at it.
What set it up? I want to see what. Ah, the first one crossed the jaw.
Right now, there it is.
Ah, 2. Yes, the second one took him down.
The first one, I think, was that. That's where it opened the cut. You can see his head's already split open. And
that was
right on the same spot. Right on the same spot with that second elbow.
That was oh, wow, what a money shot. Oh, how he got up from that. Incredible stuff here. Incredible. Not fighting with the same aggression in this round. Oh!
Good back kick to the body from Nog Rose.
Oh!
Another right hand from Suryai.
Beautiful. Oh, big knee from Nog Rose. Oh, what a war we have here.
Oh, elbow again there from Nog Rose.
Goodness.
Right hand there from Suryai. And another elbow from Nog Rose.
Oh! Huge elbow.
Oh,
my goodness.
Suryai is down for the second time in the fight.
How did he not go down on that kick? 5 seconds left in the round. He's got
another left high kick. Another ref steps in. Is he going to call it? Oh, it's the end of the round.
No.
See highlights of that round.
Oh, let me catch my breath.
I need to save my voice. This isn't even the main event.
Pulsating action. Incredible.
Well, after that second round, we thought Suryai was done, and then all of a sudden, he just came back out of nowhere.
What a machine.
And then Nog Rose, out of nowhere, decided to turn it on.
Oh, that kick.
Suryai again, not going down from that left kick.
He's got something I will never have. That kid is amazing to survive both of those onslaughts. Look at that.
The right hand there from Nog Rose.
Oh, here we go. This is
and
not
again,
over yet.
Another left hand kick from Nog Rose.
Look at the cut. It's just.
Shoot from Suryai to the body, to the head.
Elbow
from Nog Rose. Oh, solid left knee. And a takedown from Suryai.
Oh.
The distance to the left kick to the body. Suryai again going those left and right clubs of his.
Oh!
Good right hand there from Suryai. Nog Rose just takes it up.
He's landing the punches, but
another left kick from Nog Rose. And there it is. Nog Rose, a lot of people on their feet. Sure, these YouTube videos of Nog Rose are going to be going all around the world sooner or later.
And there we have it, folks. Nog Rose, the winner.
Congratulations to her. She's made history here tonight, and we're happy to be a part of it. And not bad, 2 million. There's that kiss again. There were the elbows. 2 knockdowns from Nog Rose.